Hello fellow Fandesals, for this off-season episode, I'll be sharing to you my favorite egg bites recipe. Lately, I've liked buying breakfast egg bites from this big coffee shop chain until I realized it's becoming too expensive now for me. So I said, why not make my own egg bites? So I researched and I found out that the ingredients are easy to find and it looks easy to make. I'm also flashing the ingredients here on the screen. One of the things that I liked about this recipe for someone who doesn't know how to bake or cook is how easy it is. You basically just combine everything together in a blender. The recipe I found called for 8 eggs, but I only had 5 when I made this video. But I tried to keep the measurements of the other ingredients. Well, at least yung milk and the cottage cheese. But as for the rest, since they're like kind of leftovers that we have in the pantry, medyo I also got carried away. What I didn't put though was salt. So just in case, something goes wrong, at least it's kind of easy to remedy because it's not salty. So there you go, you just blend everything together. So since I only had 5 eggs in this recipe, I only filled 6 slots in the muffin pan with base na salami and cheese. Though it looks like I underestimated it because there was enough to go around that I filled all the 12 slots, and ta-da! Baking time. So this is 350 for 18 minutes, and there you go. Here's my slightly burnt egg bites just the way I like it. I just let it cool down a bit kasi nakaalsa pa siya ng konti. So after 5 minutes, medyo lumit na siya. And here it is. It's a kind of fluffy. It's not that airy. And yay, egg bites! It's not as smooth in texture as the one in coffee shops, but I made it just the way I like it. And here, I'm gonna save some for when I crave in the next couple of days. And that's it for our egg bites off-season episode. If you have comments about this short one, or if you have any egg bites recipe to share, feel free to leave a comment or message us in any of our socials. See you again next time. Bye!